In the avian world, woodpeckers stand out as nature's percussionists, their rhythmic tapping echoing through forests worldwide. But have you ever wondered how these remarkable birds can withstand the repeated impact of hammering their beaks against hard wood without suffering brain damage? The answer lies in a fascinating adaptation that's both bizarre and brilliant: the hyoid apparatus. The hyoid apparatus is a unique structure of bone and cartilage that wraps around a woodpecker's skull, acting as a natural shock absorber. This extraordinary feature is just one of several adaptations that allow woodpeckers to engage in their characteristic behavior without harm. Let's delve deeper into this remarkable evolutionary solution and explore the other ways woodpeckers have adapted to their high-impact lifestyle. The hyoid apparatus, nature's helmet. At first glance, you might mistake the hyoid apparatus for an unusually long tongue coiled around the woodpecker's skull. However, this structure is far more complex and serves a crucial purpose beyond mere tongue support. The hyoid bones form a horseshoe shape that encircles the bird's brain, creating a protective barrier against the intense forces generated during pecking. What makes the hyoid apparatus particularly effective is its composition. Researchers have discovered that it consists of both stiff and spongy sections. This varied structure allows it to dissipate energy efficiently, much like a bicycle helmet absorbs impact to protect a cyclist's head. The stiffer parts provide stability, while the spongier regions act as cushions, absorbing and distributing the shock waves that travel through the bird's skull with each peck. This natural shock absorption system is so effective that it enables woodpeckers to strike wood at speeds of up to 20 times per second, with a force that would cause severe injury to most other creatures. The hyoid apparatus, combined with other adaptations, allows woodpeckers to withstand decelerations of up to 1,000 Gs, a force that would be lethal to humans. Other woodpecker adaptations. While the hyoid apparatus is a crucial component of the woodpecker's impact resistance toolkit, it's not the only adaptation these birds have developed. Let's explore some of the other fascinating features that contribute to their ability to withstand repeated head trauma. Reinforced skull. Woodpeckers have evolved skulls with dense, plate-like bones that are more resistant to impact than those of other birds. The skull's structure helps to distribute the force of each blow, reducing the risk of injury. Specialized brain position. The woodpecker's brain is positioned in such a way that it fits snugly against the skull, minimizing movement during impact. This reduces the risk of concussion and other brain injuries. Shock-absorbing beak. The beak itself is designed to absorb shock. It consists of an upper and lower beak with slightly different lengths, which helps to deflect impact forces away from the brain. Strong neck muscles. Woodpeckers have developed powerful neck muscles that help control the force of their pecking and stabilize their head during impact. Third eyelid. A thick, protective third eyelid closes just before each peck, preventing the eyeballs from popping out due to the extreme forces involved. Stiff tail feathers. These provide support and balance, allowing the woodpecker to maintain its position while hammering away at tree trunks. The evolutionary advantage. The development of these adaptations has given woodpeckers a significant evolutionary advantage. By being able to safely and efficiently excavate trees, they've gained access to food sources that other birds can't reach. Woodpeckers feed on insects living beneath tree bark and create nesting cavities in tree trunks, both of which would be impossible without their specialized anatomy. Moreover, their unique abilities have allowed woodpeckers to fill a specific ecological niche. They play a crucial role in forest ecosystems by controlling insect populations and creating habitats for other cavity nesting species. Implications for biomimicry and technology. The woodpecker's remarkable adaptations haven't gone unnoticed by scientists and engineers. The bird's natural shock absorption system has inspired various technological innovations, particularly in the field of impact protection. Researchers are studying woodpecker biomechanics to develop better protective gear for athletes, improved car bumpers, and even more effective shock absorbers for spacecraft and other high-impact applications. For instance, the design of the hyoid apparatus has influenced the development of new types of protective headgear for contact sports. By mimicking the woodpecker's combination of stiff and spongy materials, engineers hope to create helmets that can better protect athletes from concussions and other brain injuries. A lesson in resilience. While the woodpecker's ability to withstand repeated head impacts is truly impressive, it's important to note that this is a highly specialized adaptation. The human quip about not head desking too aggressively, no matter how frustrating life becomes, is a humorous but valid point. Our brains and skulls are not designed to withstand the same forces as a woodpecker's, and attempting to imitate their behavior would be extremely dangerous. Instead, we can draw inspiration from the woodpecker's resilience in a metaphorical sense. Just as these birds have adapted to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges, we too can develop strategies to cope with life's difficulties. The woodpecker reminds us that with the right adaptations and approach, we can face our own obstacles head-on and emerge stronger. Conclusion: the woodpecker's hyoid apparatus and associated adaptations represent a masterpiece of evolutionary engineering. These features allow these remarkable birds to engage in behavior that would be catastrophic for most other creatures, enabling them to thrive in their unique ecological niche. As we continue to study and understand the intricacies of woodpecker anatomy, we not only gain insight into the marvels of natural selection, but also find inspiration for technological innovations that could benefit human society. The next time you hear a woodpecker's rhythmic tapping, take a moment to appreciate the incredible biological machinery at work, a testament to nature's ingenuity and the power of adaptation.